dilation. Oh, it says, okay. So we're doing dilations and similarity. The main thing to think about for dilations is the word proportionality. So when we do dilations, we have things that are proportional. If you need to write it, you can. This should be a reminder from yesterday. So when we do that, today we're going to talk about two things. The first thing that we're going to talk about is how to determine the center of dilation. So as a reminder, we are on YouTube Live right now, so please stay quiet. Now, yesterday, you guys were given the pre-image and the image, and then I'm sorry, you were given the pre-image and the center of dilation, and you had to draw the image. The first part of today, you're given the pre-image and the image, and you have to determine the center of dilation. So what we're going to do is I'm going to just draw two shapes. Now, this is not going to be as perfect as an exact. I'm just going to kind of estimate it for you. Basically speaking, when you determine the center of dilation, you are drawing long lines between corresponding points. And so if you want to write this in the blank space on page 10, you can. But that's the most important thing, is that we draw long lines between corresponding points. So for example, this point here corresponds to this point here. So I'm going to use my ruler, and I'm going to draw a long line that connects those corresponding points. Then I have, I like it underlines it perfectly. Then it has this point here, and that matches to this point here. So when I do my lines, I get my corresponding point. So this would be my center of dilation. Now, really, I should also do this one. Let's see. Oh, it works. See, that's not bad. All we're doing is you're connecting the corresponding points. And when you connect the corresponding points, they'll match at a certain point. And that given point is our center of dilation. And if you remember from yesterday, center of dilation is what we used for our money point. Okay, real quick, I want to remind you about scale factor from yesterday. Now, people in 6th period did not hear this, but I told you yesterday that when we do scale factor, we do new divided by old. In 7th period, one of my students, Rebecca, she suggested, oh, it's just like when you paint your bedroom and you put the new paint over the old paint. So this is our new length divided by the old length. That's what I said. I said old, but she said the paint. So I was like, no, the new goes over the old. So here, if I have a triangle that looks like this and a triangle that looks like this, and I'm going from this shape is my pre-image and this shape is my image, I know that my new length is 12, my old length is 6, and when I reduce, I get 2 as my scale factor. So technically speaking, if this side right here was 8 and I have to decide this side, and I'll talk more about this in the next video and next coming up, I could set up a proportion and then cross multiply like you all did in middle school. And that'll give you that one right there.